Hey guys, I'm Trace from Winning Home Improvements and we are here at our Victoria Point project. We have completed a kitchen and 2 bathrooms. Both Matt and I would love to welcome you in to come and have a look. Have a look at this kitchen. So originally when I was invited into this house, it was a galley style kitchen here, pushed to one side. So we've decided to take that out completely and incorporate this new island bench, which is double the size. And the family wanted a butler's pantry. So we managed to be able to blow out this wall here, and then we actually took up some footprint from the other side and included that for them. If you guys are following us, by now you would know we love skylights. So here in the kitchen, it is flanked with all walls on either side. What we've incorporated is 2 oversized skylights right above the island bench to be able to capture the natural light. Welcome to the main bathroom. Come on in and have a look. So the footprint in here was working really well for the family, and they didn't really want to have a shower that was incorporated beside a bath, so we've left them where they are, but redone everything brand new. So we have a vanity that's come in with the oak cupboards, and they've got the shaker style. We've also done the stone tops, the back to corner bath, and a separate shower with semi-frameless glass. Welcome to the ensuite, guys. We can't wait to show you. But first, check out this custom barn door that was made especially for this space. Come on in and have a look. We've completely redesigned this space. Originally, right here is where the shower was, stuck underneath this bulkhead. And a tiny little vanity for 2 was stuck in the corner. We've redesigned the space completely, moved doorways, and now we've got this jumbo size shower, double the size of what it was, and a double vanity that fits the couple perfectly.